Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a huge home with 9 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Excellent for a large family or an Airbnb. It has spacious rooms and large opening area. Also beautifully landscaped. It is located in the lovely area of Westland, Mountain Road, Negril, Westmoreland. The land area is approximately 11,200 square feet, and this house has an excellent rental income potential based on its location. Some other features includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, fully fenced, family oriented, view of the ocean, landscaped, road is both paved and gravel. The asking price for this house is US 599,000 or Jamaica $92 million. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave your comments and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.